Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App not opening. In this video, I'm going to show you a few methods that you can try. So I'm going to start with the first method, which is you can go to the Cash App on your App Store and make sure that your Cash App is up to date. If it's not, you will see an update option on there, so click on it and make sure that it is updated. If the problem is not resolved and you're still having an issue, you can go to your device settings, go to general, and simply go to software update and make sure that the device is up to date. If it's not, you will see the update option on there, as you will see on the screen here. So if you see this, you will need to basically click on update now and wait for the update to be done, and then go to Cash App and see if the problem is resolved. If not, then you can move to the next method, which is removing the app from your phone and reinstalling it again. So basically delete the app, go back to App Store, search for Cash App and simply click on get and wait for the app to be downloaded, and then try opening the app. And if the problem continues and that doesn't resolve it, then you can try the last method, which is making sure that you do not have any internet issues. So try disconnecting your internet and reconnecting it again and see if it works fine. So this is what you can do to fix Cash App not opening.